how much 2% salt solution and how much 8% salt solution must be mixed to end up with 50 milliliters of a 7% salt solution. Okay, let's let T stand for the milliliters of 2% solution that we're mixing, and E is the number of milliliters of an 8% solution that we're mixing. Now, since we want to end up with 50 milliliters, we must have that T plus E adds up to 50 milliliters. Now let's see how much salt is in there. This is the T milliliters is 2% salt, so 0.02 times T is how much salt, 2% of T, how much salt there is in T, the T gallons, or T milliliters. Okay, there's E milliliters of 8% solution, so the amount of it that's salt, 8% of it is salt. So 0.08 times E is 8% of E. That's how much of that is salt. On the other side, we have 50 milliliters, and we want it to be 7% salt, so 0.07 times 50 is on the right side. And 0.07 times 50 is 3.5. So this number here is 3.5. Now, to get rid of the decimals, I'm going to multiply the second equation times 100. Multiplying times 100, we get 2t plus 8e is equal to 350. I'm tempted to divide by 2 as well. In fact, if we divide that by 2, I don't know. Let's just divide it by 2. Dividing by 2, you get T plus 4E. So you get T plus 4E is equal to half of 350, which is 175. Yeah. So let's use that equation along with the first equation. Let's multiply the first equation times -1. Now I'm going to use this one right here. So multiply this top one times -1, and this equation becomes -T -E is equal to -50. So if we now add these two equations, the t's are eliminated, and we're left with 4e minus e is 3e. So 3 times e is equal to 175 minus 50 is 125. And dividing both sides by 3, we get that E is equal to E is equal to 41.66. The 6's keep going forever. So this is equal to 41 2/3. That's in milliliters. So that's how many milliliters of the 8% solution we need. And the total number of milliliters are 50. So let's see what that leaves for the how much of the 2% salt solution we need. From this equation right here, the amount of milliliters of the 2% solution plus E, we just found E was 41 2/3. That adds up to 50. So if I take away 41 2/3 from both sides, we get that T is equal to, so 50 minus 41, let's see here. This is going to be 8. And 1/3. And that's the milliliters. So this is milliliters of the 2% solution, and this is 41 2/3 milliliters of the 8% solution. And that's what we must mix in order to get exactly 50 milliliters of a 7% solution.